Budget pagagit na. Alaw, Uy, ubus ko na yan doon. Sinarili ko na.
Uy, si Ilog talaga.
Hi.
Nandun ka tapos lumako si Ilog.
Beautiful, beautiful. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come. Na rin. Uy, maano kita? Halo. Ano ka?
Ikaw. Ito daw.
Sige na nga. Tao po. Ay, may halo. Ano niyo? Parang malamig.
Ito po.
Ay, ito po, may maganan po. Yadi ho, minu.
Dapat di na kita tulog-haon.
Oo nga. Kung alam ko lang. Kung alam ko lang.
Umuwi mo pa itong tugong pag nagbihong pa ako.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Dire, ano na lang.
Wednesday.
Ano,
At pwede mag-video ako.
ay. Pwede po. Sige. Ay, hulog-hulog man yun ha. Ay, okay.
Bilangon na lang namo. Ililista mi. Okay.
Ay, hindi ano.
Dito na kita ho. Dito na ho.
Dire, hindi na ho. Pwede man yun ano. Ikot-ikot man yun.
Okay. Naisog ang maganda.
Mas masarap ang feeling didi ho.
Okay.
Okay. Wala, hindi ano. Halo-halo, something like that. Ate, may halo-halo po ka mo? Don't wanna let my go. Mas magayang pag-irog sa ha. Natural at hindi. Oo, magayon na. Sa yarn. Perfect.
Walang pinagtag mo doon sa ako. Pinagtag mo doon sa ako. Sige kasi nung rato. Hi, Cheryl! Korepot! Korepot mo! Like done. Thank you. Korepot mo Salamin ako yan. Ay, sige bang pulyat ha. Okay. Napiyo na ako. Ito. Ano lang, mas kinano. Makalat pa ito eh. Hindi ako na lang. Hindi ako na lang. Delicious. Aray mo. Ay, sus, mamumilog. Mo doon. Sorry na. Parang dapat din ako ng bahay. Hindi, okay lang. Ay, nasa katipid dito. There we go. Ano ba yan? Ako may di man ako suntog-tog. May ko na ako suntog na ako ginawa. May nakasave siya ako ang post. Sabay mo yung suntog. May nang pang paturog ko.
Oh, may naging up na yun. Tama na ako nababa. Isa rin pang to.
Sa buya, nabula ko. Tapos may, hindi ko may si speaker.
Hi! Kuripot buang! Hello!
Hello po.
Ang hirap!
Wait, ano ba yung type ko? Sino ba?
Kailangan pang itanong. Sabi ko, beautiful. Glenn. Hi, Glenn.
Ito siya.
Si Mac.
Sabi ko, i-type ko na makanta kita. Nanon, i-type ko habang yung price. Kasi sino ba? Ay, wag ganon.
Sino pa ba? Hi, Yosir Master. Hi.
7.
More power to your channel. Thank you. Si Magkatungel. Hi. If ever you're in my arms again,
Come on.
summer mo.
Ibang 997 lang ang nabutang kota. 9977? Ito tayo. Kaya ano mo, yan ang sabi. Kaya na, kasama ni pala na.
Baka ibang number dyan sa nakasanayan.
Ay, sorry. 9977 man, ito man.
Hi, girls. Norberto.
Naman paborito mo. Lumang number dito.
1026.
1027. 627.
Ay, God. Ano man ang sinasabi tong wala? Parang di wifi ha.
1,
0.
0, 2, 6, 7,
Goes ba?
Ang ganda siya ito.
Siya, count on you. Ano ba?
by the I got this too. So true. That is true. for you. Count on you to go. Don't rest to see. Don't asking why you go. Don't looking back. Count on you every time. To this my world. If I won't be, won't spend the rays of my days and never through. No fear. Nowhere's to see you. No asking why you go. Don't looking back. Got on you every time. To ease my world. People to me down. Love is simple and right where you are. Just me and you.
Ano yan ito? Our office is temporary closed starting 1 p.m. today. Okay, 4.
Cute. Ba yun?
Kaya sumakat doon.
Oh, yeah. Charang! Bagay yun, sampiyon. Perfect. Perfect tayo dito, be.
8, 5, 7, 7,
Borrowed time.
Every star sign, the sunrise, love moves, whenever we are starlight, look at oh, it's good to be true in our hopes and dreams are true. Wish that I had more of this bright time. If only it would last tonight. This very exciting isn't a nice place I hide. It never seems right. We can around. Love on the outside will never reach us online. I just close my eyes and grow right.
Ay, kung may suratan pa ang pangalan ni Mama M sa Henry.
Always to be true.
Unang paano dito
Wish that I had more of this fun time. If only it would last a night.
Masaya mo? Ano ko yun lang?
Thought I took back away. You say it's lost, but you're miles and miles away. Oh, it's good to be true. If our hopes and dreams come true, wish that I had more of this borrowed time. Only it would last. Oh, it's good to be true. If our hopes and dreams come true, wish that I had more of this borrowed time. If only it would last. Oh, it's good to be true. Our hopes and dreams come true. Wish that I had more of this borrowed time. If only it would last forever.
Iban ko, sini number, bigyan Mega Pro.
Ivan Platinum ha.
Di ba ang platinum?
Sigurado may apps man yun ha.
Oo. Di ba ako nag-download? Platinum.
It might be you. My God. It might be you. My goodness. Lalo hindi ba yung sa ako? Yan. It might be you. Mahal. Hi, Mike. Tumubuga.
Running on the side, watching seagulls fly. Wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you.
God, Norris Burger.
Looking back as lovers,
Hi.
moving fast.
Hi, Glenn.
Wondering how to matter, won't make it last. If I find a place, will I recognize the place? It's telling me it might be you. It's telling me so many crying lost so many dreams to learn, and with so much love to burn.
Nasa beach ka? Nasa beach ka? No. Hindi ako nasa beach. Sa bundok. Dok.
It's telling me it might be you.
Tell me.
Ano gusto mo kanta?
Para ako gusto na kanta. Gusto ko siya. Aray.
Basta muna ka nagagalit si Neo. Sabi ni stop. Makati.
And I feel that it'll just be
Ganda, mahangin. Yes po, mahangin po. Beautiful.
it's you. I've been waiting for all of you. It's you. It's you. I've been waiting for all of you. I've been waiting for all of
I've been waiting.
Dire man ako makanta. Puro ka minus.
Puro ano?
Minus.
Puro minus.
Minus.
Hindi naman hindi magtambay nagsininaw.
Oo. Dahil makayong ka ha. Closer you and I, my goodness. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines.
your eyes. Listen,
Parang nawa dahil nakatao na dito nagkawan.
just in the dream. I don't want to see. So forget a picture of your smile. Just every time I close my eyes, became alive. I can't touch you. So I get to love you. Either time is a long time moving together. Need a smile, special smile. So open your eyes and a little while. Need time is a long time so we can come closer. Go at the door. More, so much stronger. Light is the sun like a friend, so much more, so soon.
Sangas Bicol. Bicol region. Yes, Bicol region. Bicol.
You just was trying to take my breath away, so hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, closer I get to loving you. You decide to swim what time we'll be together. Your smile, a special smile. With your eyes, you'll know.